I'm making Victorian style ribbons for my Australian mini Labradoodle and Labradoodle, and also Victorian style bandanas. I've got 2 ribbon pieces and I sewed them together, and now I'm gathering the center for the ribbon with just needle and thread. That's looking pretty so far. Ribbon. I just need this other side, you see? Not like pretty. That's the back part where I sewed it there. See? I just gotta do this part and put something in the center. Maybe the thing in the center, I might put, I don't know, what should I put in the center? Should I put this or something? Maybe I'll take out that one and we'll put this one here somewhere in the middle. There's one here, got a ribbon. Tie for the, oh my god, I didn't put the thing there. This one I did. Put the tie. Oop. Cute ribbon. The larger Victorian ribbon I secured with needle and thread, and the elastic, I put a clear elastic at the back. I know it's broken. I'm thinking I should do the next one with added starch for just for more rigid and stiffness, so the bow could just sit out more, I guess, more stiffer. I grew up with my mother starching like her crochets. She would starch it so it would harden and stick up. I might have to try that next time. See that? It does seem like it's longer here, wasn't centered enough. But it's just my first one. First dog ribbon. Isn't that cute? Yeah, Victorian theme dog ribbon. I'm going to try and put this on Princess. Okay. And I put the ribbon on Princess' hair. You can see in the top. See the ribbon on her hair? How's that looking? Okay? Bright sunshine. You can see how pretty. You can see her ribbon. Oh! In the sunlight. Let's take. She's not showing it. Let me see here. See? How sparkly it is. Isn't that cute? It's her first ribbon. There's Princess in the sunlight, and she has her little foggy dog bandana, and she has a little ribbon on her hair. Princess, where are you going? She went somewhere there. For it. I'll put the larger ribbon that I made on our larger senior dog, Ayla, in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.